Kasama ako.
We're about to finish this collab.
Bro, ano ba yan?
Bro, you're weak.
Sinasabi mo pa?
Sino yon? Who's that?
Kuya James.
Hey, at least I'm not toxic, buddy.
Sorry about that. Bro, hindi na sa
Boom.
dark boys, bro.
Guys, let's 3v3 now. Hey, we're even. Where are you at, Ella? Oh my god. What the cake joined? 4v4? What the skibidi? Man, I have 4 classmates joining. Why did Ella left? Bro, why are you muted?
Yung ano dyan yun, guys.
Bro, where are you at, Ella? Go. Join my party.
3v3?
No, 4v4! Kate's literally here!
George?
Bro, Kate's here.
Oh, okay. Alright.
This is gonna be more interesting than we thought. Oh wait, wait a minute. Wait, what?
What?
Yeah, sure. Mag-wait daw siya. Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
Saan? Nasa pinakadulo yan eh.
Oh my bro. Woo!
I think the nice is you're naughty.
No! Auto shoot.
Nicholas.
Oh wait, we can use auto shoot. I forgot.
Ako got. Ano yun? Ako got.
I forgot then. Okay, let's go.
Bro, I'm gonna inform my crush first.
Oh really? I'm gonna snipe y'all both. You already know me with the sniper. Oh my god, I see Japet! Boom!
Bro!
Oh my god, I saw you! I saw you! Oh my god! You're dead. Oh my god, I almost died because of Pia.
Okay.
Let's go. It's time to get sniped, guys. Sniping is cool, but it's deadly. You already know that. Oh, I see Japet flying! What the skibidi? Oh my god! Bro, look at Japet! first. Not me. Not me. Behind you is Jumpet. It's who's literally playing. And you stole my kill. I'm gonna kill you. You're great with the auto shoot.
Bye-bye.
No, I fell. I'm literally just praying on the wall. What am I doing?
Bro, are you
Hello? Bro got sniped. You fell for that.
Yeah. I thought I was lagging though. Stop it.
Oh my god, I forgot he can... I need to full medkit right now. Full medkit. Full medkit.
Huh? Okay. Okay lang. Kakain na. Nakakain na daw. Kain na.
Boom! Bro got sniped once again. Y'all are getting
Nasa isip
sniped.
ng lola ko. Bro, nasa isip ng lola. Sabi ko, Nay, kain na. Sabi niya, anong tatain na? Bro.
Wow! Bro, don't speak Tagalog. You already know that you're ruining the video and you're dead because I see you.
Okay, I'm gotta go.
You died. Wow, yes. Oh my god, now she left. Where's is he AF? Wait, what? Oh my god! Yeah, bro's dead. Done, you're done. We end it here. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the collab.